Hey, beautiful babes, your girl, Sweet Angel. Wow, what an amazing Monday it is. Y'all, I've gotten myself back refurbished. Okay, listen, I am back and I am feeling great. And I just had to share with y'all. Y'all know when I come back off of the road from doing a concert, a tour, gigs, and all that stuff, I have to get myself together, and the one thing I start with is my scrub. You know, your skin has been parched by the sun. You know, you just want to get it together. And today I'm going to share one of my favorite scrubs with you that I make myself. Absolutely. Very simple, very easy. You only need 3 ingredients, and we're going to do that today. In the meantime, before you get into the video, go ahead, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you have not, please turn on your post notifications, and that way you'll be in the know each and every time I upload. Y'all, let's get to today's little scrub so you can do your thing today and make sure that you get your skin revitalized all over again. But honey, it helps to combat cellulite and, you know, kind of detox your skin as well. So you're going to love it just as I do. Let's get to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and prepare this scrub. It's a sea salt scrub to combat cellulite, but it's also going to leave you with glowing, beautiful skin. Let's talk about it. Now, cellulite is something that over 90% of all women experience after the age of 20, and some before 20. Cellulite is lumpy deposits of fat below the skin on the thighs, hips, and buttocks. It can also appear on the arms and tummy. Cellulite is difficult to get rid of because it gets trapped in the compartments of the tissue where there is poor circulation. It is so stubborn that even if you exercise to improve muscle tone and circulation to these mentioned areas, even eating properly, for some reason cellulite has a tendency to stick around. Now, today I will show you how to whip up this easy scrub that contains sea salt, but also other detoxifying ingredients that's going to help improve circulation and the suppleness of the skin. Now, sea salt will cleanse the skin and remove impurities that may be trapped within the tissue. We're going to use in this mix 3 tablespoons of sea salt, and the other powerful ingredient is coffee grounds. See, coffee grounds contain caffeine, which helps in improving circulation, and we know that it is great for a wonderful scrub. We're going to add in 1 cup of coffee grounds to the mix. I like to stir my dry ingredients together first before adding any liquids and so forth. So we'll do that now. And then we'll add in 6 tablespoons of coconut oil, just like so. Now let's mix it all up. Now, sea salt contains magnesium, bromide, iodine, potassium, sulfur, calcium, sodium, and zinc. Now, coffee scrubs have been around to treat cellulite for a long time. Because of the caffeine in the coffee, as I mentioned, it helps with circulation, it helps to dilate blood vessels and reduce the appearance of skin dimples. Like other exfoliating scrubs, this can help remove dead skin cells and yield a smoother, more even look to the skin. And the coconut oil will help to tighten, firm, and moisturize the skin in areas where cellulite is a problem. It can even be applied just by itself directly to the skin through gentle massage, much like a lotion or a skin cream. Now, when applied religiously, which I will say you can do this 2 to 3 times a week, it has definitely been shown to reduce the appearance of cellulite, especially over time. And that's it, beautiful babes. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you like it. Hope you do it. And if you do, let your girl know down in the comments. If you don't have anything to say today, just drop me some hearts. You know I love hearts. You know, those little red hearts, that's me. All right, beautiful babes. I'll see y'all on the next one. Take care. And until next time, please keep on doing what you're doing for your girl. And that is sharing me with your world. I'll see ya. Bye now.
Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls, bury my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great.